You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
So when I come back from the Saudi Arabia, I took the decision, as a difficult decision, what I can do here. But that time my family told me.
Come closer to the mic, please. Yeah.
My family told me, why you are not go to the Canada for with the help of your brothers, elder brothers and cousins, with the whole business. But that time I decided to go to the Canada. Then I before the going to this decision, I started the many business in Pakistan, but not a good response. Then I was decided to go to Canada. Then that decided to go to Canada because my family futures, and I decided. Then I go to Karachi for the heavy driving lessons for going Canada, and I am come here for the IELTS test because the requirement completed. Then I go to the Canada.
All right, that's good. You spoke for 1 minute and 5 seconds. So try to speak a little more, then it'll be better. It's a good idea if you learn all the tenses, like present, past, future. If you focus all the tenses, it'll be better. Sentences like I was decided is grammatically wrong. It should be I decided. Then you said I go to Karachi. It should be I went to Karachi. Then you said I am come here. It should have been I have come here. So these type of mistakes, try to watch some videos on YouTube about tenses, present simple, past simple, future simple, and you'll be fine. But looking at your overall performance, I'll give you 5 band.
Thank you.
Thank you.